Hey guys, Mason Maps here. In this video, I will show you around the Substance Painter interface. The layout basically same across version, so you can follow along easily. If you take a look, the interface Substance Painter is similar to Photoshop, so if you have used Photoshop before, it will easier to learn. In the top left corner, you will find menu bar. This is where you can do basic actions like creating a new project, opening an existing one, or saving your work. Okay, now let's start by loading a sample object first. Go to File, click Open Sample, and I will choose this matte model. So here it is. If you want to move this object, hold Alt on your keyboard and click the middle mouse button. To rotate, hold Alt and click the left mouse button, and to zoom in or out, hold Alt again, right click and drag your mouse. At the top menu, you can switch between perspective view and orthographic view. On the left side here, you can split the viewport, so it shows both the 3D model and the UV matte at the same time. You can also switch to 3D only or 2D only view depending on what you need. Next, on the right side, you can add a new painting layer. The brush tool is located on the left here, or if you didn't find that, you can go to Window, Toolbars, and enable the Tools option. You can adjust the brush size here, just like tweak the flow, change the stroke opacity, and more settings in the Properties panel. Right now, I'm changing the brush color from gray to red just like this. Next to the brush tool, you will find the asset library by default. If it's not visible, you can go to Window, View, and enable it. The library contains different categories such as Materials, Smart Materials, Smart Max, Filters, Brush and Alpha Variation, Tile Texture, and Environments. You can scroll through the list or simply search for something like typing fabric material, then drag it directly into your object and it will automatically create a new layer in the layer panel. You can also view material in the single channel mode like base color or metallic in this area. If your viewport looks a little bit flat, you can go to Display Settings and increase the environment opacity up to 100%. You don't need to change the exposure since the default lighting already looks good. You can adjust environment blur if as you need it. Here I have set it to 7, which softens the look, and you can also rotate the environment to change the lighting direction. If you want to switch to a different environment, just drag and drop one from the asset library like this. Here's a drag and drop Tomoko setup environment. Back in the viewport, if you turn off the environment, you might notice some edge on the model looks a little bit harsh. To make it smoother, you can go to Display Settings and enable Temporal Anti-Aliasing. Now, the model looks nice and clean. And that's it today's tutorial on the Substance Painter interface. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.